welcome to this brief guide on how to send meeting proposals in Gmail. Let's be honest, trying to schedule a meeting can be a real pain. You're probably all too familiar with the endless email back and forth. Does Tuesday at 10 a.m. work for you? Sorry, I'm booked. How about Wednesday afternoon? But what if I told you there's a brilliant built-in Gmail feature that solves all of this? It allows you to offer up times you're free directly from your email and lets the other person book a time with a single click. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the brand new Proposed Times feature in Gmail. So, let's dive in. Alright, first things first. Where is this magic button? It's actually hiding in plain sight, and once you see it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. To get started, simply compose a new email as you normally would. You can see I'm doing that here just by clicking the Compose button. Address it to the person that you want to meet with, and maybe even pop in a clear subject line so that they know what it's about. Now, direct your attention down to the bottom toolbar of this Compose window. This is the area where you have your send button, formatting options like bold and italics, and the paperclip for adding attachments. What we're looking for is a small calendar icon that is located in this ellipsis menu here. See it there? It's the one we're going to focus on in this video. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. A little drop-down will appear with some options: propose times and create an event. You may also see this ability here to make a booking page if you have one of the many Google One or Workspace plans. Create an event is for when you already know the time and just want to send a standard invitation. But we want to offer choices, so we are going to select the brilliant Proposed Times option. And just like that, you'll see a side panel slide open on the right-hand side of your screen. This is your scheduling command center, and it's directly connected to your Google Calendar. And now for the fun part. This new panel on the right is a live mini view of your actual Google Calendar. Notice how it's already showing my existing appointments for today. This is incredibly helpful because it means that you can't accidentally double book yourself. It sees when you're busy, and it allows you to schedule around your existing commitments with confidence. This is where you'll offer up potential time slots, giving the other person clear, concrete options that they can choose from. So let's say we want to propose a few times for next week. You can use the arrows at the top of the panel to navigate backwards and forwards through the days. I'll click the right arrow until I move over to next week. To select a time, simply find an empty space in your calendar. All you need to do is position your mouse where you want the meeting to be and then click to select it. Let's offer Tuesday at 10 a.m. I just click on that slot and you can see that it's been added to the list below. Now, the key to good scheduling etiquette is offering flexibility. You're not limited to just one option, and you shouldn't be. Let's offer a couple more choices to increase the chances that one will work. I'll propose another time on Tuesday afternoon, say 2 p.m, and then I just click on that slot. And perhaps a morning slot on Wednesday as well, just to be safe, maybe 11 a.m. Each time I click a free slot on the calendar, you can see it being added to the list of proposed times down below. This is perfect for organizing anything from a crucial client meeting to a simple coffee catch-up with a colleague. Now, before you add these times to your email, it's really important to add some context. This step ensures that there's no confusion about what the meeting is for, how long it will last, or where it's supposed to take place. We're setting our recipient up for success by giving them all the information they need up front. Let's start at the top of the panel with the duration. This is simply how long you expect the meeting to be. The default for me is 1 hour, but you can easily change it by clicking the drop-down menu. You have standard options like 15, 30, or 45 minutes, or you can even set a custom time. For this meeting, which I'm calling Project Alpha Sync, let's make it 45 minutes. Watch the time slots as I select it. See how all the time blocks I selected have instantly updated to be 45 minutes long? This is a great little time saver. Next, and this is very important, you need to add an event title. If you leave this blank, the recipient won't know what they are confirming. This title will become the official name for the event in both of your calendars, so make it clear and descriptive. I'll simply type in Project Alpha Sync. Finally, you can add a location or a video conferencing link. If you're organizing an in-person meeting, you can then type in a physical address into the location field. But for remote meetings, you can simply click the Google Meet video conferencing option. It will add a Google Meet link with a single click. This is fantastic for organizing virtual job interviews or client calls across different time zones. And lastly, you can add in a description for the meeting. This is great for providing any additional context or an agenda for your proposed meeting. Okay, we've picked our times and we've added all of the important details. Now it's time to insert this proposal neatly into our email. This step transforms your selected time slots from a list in a side panel into a professional, interactive block that the recipient can engage with directly. To do this, simply click the blue Add to Email button at the bottom of the panel. And there it is. The calendar panel closes and Gmail has automatically inserted this clean, easy to read block right into the body of your email. From here, you should add some friendly context. This tool is great, but it doesn't quite replace a polite message. So I'll just type a quick note above it. Hi Jane, hope you're having a great week. To make it easier to find a time for our sync, I've proposed a few slots that I have free next week. Please click on whichever one works best for you. Cheers. Once you're happy with your message, just hit send like you would with any other email. So, what does the person on the other end see? This is where the magic really happens for collaboration. To show you, we're going to switch views now and go over to the recipient's inbox. This is so important because the process is designed to be incredibly simple and user-friendly for them. When they open your email, they'll see your personal message and the same proposal block that you saw. But for them, each slot is a clickable button. A huge benefit here is that Gmail automatically displays these times in the recipient's own time zone. This is an absolute lifesaver if you're scheduling with people internationally, as it completely removes any confusion about time zone conversions. All they have to do is review the options and click the one that works best for them. So let's imagine Jane, our recipient, is free on Tuesday at 2 p.m. She just moves her mouse over that option and clicks it. The moment she clicks it, a new tab will automatically open in her browser, taking her to a simple confirmation page. You can see the event details are all here. Project Alpha Sync at 2 p.m. Her name and email will already be filled in. The system basically does all of the heavy lifting. All she has to do is click that final confirm button. That's it. The entire process for her is just 2 clicks. No need to reply to your email, no need to check her calendar manually. It's done. And now for the final brilliant step in the process. The moment your recipient clicks confirm, the system takes over completely. This honestly is the real payoff. It closes the loop and eliminates any final administrative tasks for you. The first thing that happens is you, the sender, will instantly receive a confirmation email. It will have the subject line, Event Confirmed, Project Alpha Sync, or whatever you named your meeting. This email is your official notification that a time has been successfully booked. You're not left wondering if they saw your email or if they bothered to pick a time. But even better than that, the event is now automatically and instantly added to both of your Google Calendars. Let's have a look. Here's my calendar, and you can see the Project Alpha Sync is now locked in for Tuesday at 2 p.m. And if we were to look at Jane's calendar, it will be there too. No one has had to manually create an event, copy and paste the details, or add a video link. The system handles all of that final crucial step for you, which saves time and, more importantly, prevents human error. How good is that? So there you have it. We've seen how to stop the painful email back and forth by using Gmail's proposed times feature. We've covered how to find the tool, select your available times right from your calendar, add all of the event details, and how the system automatically confirms the meeting and adds it to everyone's calendar once a time is chosen. I really encourage you to give this a try next time you need to organize a meeting. It's a super small feature that makes a huge difference to your productivity. You can access this feature in any personal Gmail account or Google Workspace account, right from the Compose window. Happy scheduling, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.